everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Toast employee account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now tap on the search button and type in payroll.toasttab.com. After you end up in the official page, type in your company code and enter your email address associated with your account. If you don't remember your company code, then you can get help by clicking on Don't Remember Your Company Code link. After filling in your details, click the next button in order to log in and access your Toast payroll and get advantage of all the employee benefits. And that is how you can sign into Toast employee account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.